It's a 2017 Kia Sportage. This crossover was made to show off. Not only will you enjoy its agile handling, remarkably smooth ride, and exceptional acceleration, but the bold lines and striking features make a statement too. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror, Android Auto, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, inductive device charging, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, sports suspension, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds that passengers and drivers alike benefit from well-contoured seats and adequate head and legroom. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.